And another one. This is the later Lakewood oscillator. This is the model 1200A. Now this one is also from 1983, like the P223 that I just showed. And like the blue 1200 that you saw, this one also has its original box. Also, this has a little hang tag, which is also an instruction manual. And inside is the original receipt. Hey, I'm filming a fan. Anyway, we'll have a overall look at this. So one side. Here's the other side. And like the blue 1200, this also has one of those fast-go motors. The date code on this is A83, so this was produced in January of '83, right at the beginning of the year. Now, show it to you in operation. I think I'll tilt this up a bit. This one's kind of hard to adjust. Start off with high. And this one's just about as powerful as the 1200. Both of them have nice quiet lows. Turn on the oscillator. That's low with oscillation. And here's medium with oscillation. And now high with oscillation. Now we'll disengage the oscillator. And off. And there you have it. My 1983 Lakewood 1200A, also with the original box. Thank you for watching.